I've bought some more cheap stuff. Since I've been making a few videos, I thought I would buy a camcorder. I have been using a Canon Ixus 255 compact camera on the video setting, and the quality's not bad, but generally if I want to take photos the battery's flat, so I thought I'd spend a bit of money on a camcorder. Now, I had been looking on eBay and getting bogged down with things like whether you should get CMOS, big CMOS, 3MOS, CCD, 3CCD, whether you need an accessory shoe, an external mic, all of that stuff. Then I realised that I make crappy videos for YouTube, so I just thought I'd buy a cheap one. And this one came up. It seems to be a guy selling a load of old stock of this particular camera. This one was specifically sold through Argos. It's still got the Argos code on it, but it's unopened, new old stock. So I've taken it out of the shipping bag and I thought I'd unpack it on camera. Let's have a look. It is Hitachi DZHV-597E, catchy name. Inspire the next. So yes, it's full HD at 30 frames a second. You can take photos with it. It's got a short zoom on it, but I don't need a big zoom. Yeah, there you go, there's the old Argos number. Usual tat written on the box. It says, among other things, it's 5 megapixel CMOS sensor. It's got a whole 128 meg built in. It takes SD up to 32 gig. Oh, and micro SD as well. It's got 2 SD sockets. That's good. So I guess it would take up to 64 gig in one go. 5 times zoom, blah blah, photo stuff, focus stuff, power stuff, weight, size, it's got some weight and size. There you go, the usual things. So anyway, enough of that shit. Let's unbox it. I can get rid of the tape now because you've seen the front of it. So, instructions. I won't be using them. I guess there's some software in there as well. And there you go, the gubbins. Camera itself, it's small, smaller than I was expecting, and surprisingly light. I guess there's no battery in there yet, as it's just come out of the box. Power lead. What's that? That's a mini HDMI lead. There's the battery. That's what we want. Let's put the battery in it. See, this SD card goes in there. This is why you get an instruction manual, so you don't. There we go. There's the battery slot, and it goes in. What is it? It's a Rufer NP120. I guess that's. I might be able to get a cheap duplicate of that. And there we go. It's on. Look at that. It's a camcorder. So yeah, it's small. It's got a tripod mount. It takes. So look in there. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see that. It's got an SD slot and a micro SD slot, which is quite good. Can you zoom in on that? No, it's not, probably not smart enough. It even says there that it's the Argos version. So yeah, zoom buttons. It's got no. Ooh, cheap external lens cap. No automatic lens cap. I'll fix that. See what else is in the box. Little codpiece type bag. What's that? That's USB and AV cable. I guess it does some AV out. And this, I'm guessing, will be a battery charger. Yes, it's mains powered battery charger. I wonder if it charges over USB. I need to look into that because I don't like battery chargers. I like USB charging. So let's throw this toss back in the box, and there we go. Wait for this to turn on. It does that, as you would expect. Look at that, I can film me filming me. Where's the button? Here we go, I'm filming me, filming you. So yes, that's my current camera setup, but this will be the new camera setup. So, I will go and take some test footage of it, and I'll cobble it into another video. Okay, so that is a Hitachi DZHV-597E, 35 quid I think I bought that for on eBay. So far, not bad. Here we go, I'm filming me, filming you. So yes, that's my current camera setup, but this will be the new camera setup. So, I will go and take some test footage of it, and I'll cobble it into another video.